안녕하세요, 마르가렛입니다. Today I will take you to forest with my nephews.
Kamuś złamała,
No.
a chodziła się na usiku.
No.
Tamten jako śpiewał, tamten
A, no.
to nabił. Wykrobiłam, a postawił.
Basta figli, hej. Now we're searching for mushrooms, and they're really good finder of mushrooms. We had it full bags, then we go to home and make some soup and some risotto. Musimy si dať z toho lepšieho kopu. How much mushroom have we found in the forest? Tell you how to do a soup for mushrooms. We need onion, mushrooms, some spice, paprika. The onion we cut it so in slices and really nice to my nephew this with his knife. We make now this onion on oil. Now we cut the mushrooms. Actually, this is rest for mushrooms because we have used it in first meal. To the onion we give some mushrooms. Now we all this cook together for tiny bit time and give some paprika inside, black pepper and water, and that's all. This will be cooked. After cooking, so we look for the mushrooms if they are ready and mix it together, give sour cream, and the soup is done. We have enjoyed the soup, it was great, and second meal same. After second meal we have gone outside. Video is over and I say 안녕히 계세요. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.